Acirithania atatu wa igoti rinene aria ni Kanyike Modo, Hedwig Ongundi na Ali Visram nio mauma na uigiririki wa gutuithania kana giturwa gia CAS ni kiombitwo gi gatiba kana cha cira-ini uria wahandirwo ni Karanja Matindi na ngwataniro ya mawakili LSK.
Thank you very much. This is
makiheana itua riri acirithania ya maugite ati watho ni wagararirwo hindi ya guthondekwo gwa giturwa giki na ati hatire handu athondeki a gatiba maheanite kanya ati minister 22 aria metikiritio gi gatiba mabati ni gukorwo na anini ao 50.
the creation of a similar office to the assistant minister, now in name of CAS, cannot be created in the manner the first respondent and the fifth respondent proceeded. Based on the reasoning set out above, we do not think that it was the intention of the framers of the Constitution to have 50 CASs deputizing 22 cabinet secretaries. For the avoidance of doubt, the entire complement of 50 CASs is therefore unconstitutional.
CAS aya mehitithirio tariki 23 mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu thutha wa spika wa bunge ya bururi Moses Masika Wetangula kuuga ati bunge ndibatiĩ kumathũrima kuona ndihetwo uigĩrĩrĩki ucio ni gatiba ya bururi, no acirithania aya mamwe na woni ngũrani wa kana bunge nĩ abatiĩ kumathũrima.
That the current office of Chief Administrative Secretary, created by the first and fifth respondents and contained in the Kenya Gazette Special Issue number 12432, dated 12th of October 2022, and which announced the vacancies thereof, is unconstitutional.
Amwe na uguo kamiti ya kwandika aruti wira muingi PSC ni murikitwo ni itua riri kirikana ni agire kuhe mawoni ma muingi megie CS 27/50 gikiari gitumi kingi acirithania mahuthirire kuonania ati mutaratara uyu wa kwamura CS ndwathingatire watho.
That whereas there was some reasonable public participation on the first complement of 23 chief administrative secretaries, there was no such participation regarding the additional complement of 27 office holders.
Undu ungi wiyumiririe itua-ini riri ni wigie marihi ma CAS aya na kana honge itiganite hamwe na ciari ni SRC na wabici ya guthurima mathabu ma muingi ni ciaheanire woni wacio wigie murigo uria giturwa giki kingiarehire hari muingi kugerera mishara ya CAS aya.
That the prayer that section 26 subsection 2 of the Salaries and Remuneration Commission Act and the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, Remuneration and Benefits of State and Public Officers, Regulations 2013, be declared unconstitutional is disallowed.
On the separation of powers doctrine, budgetary concerns fall within the realm of policy and rightly belong to the other relevant arms of government as may be appropriate. We thus decline the invitation to delve any deeper into that arena.
Itua riri riukite riri igutha inene kuri President William Ruto uria wahuthirire giturwa giki gucokia guoko kuri atongoria matiganite aria marugamire nake hindi ya githurano kinene kia mwaka muthiru.